If you need help with your ElevenLabs account, billing, or product issues, this video will show you exactly how to contact ElevenLabs support in the fastest way possible. Whether you want to use the Help Center chatbot for quick answers or reach the support team by email, I'll walk you through the whole process step by step. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. First, sign in to your ElevenLabs account. Once you're logged in, open your browser and go to the ElevenLabs Help Center. You can find the support article at help.elevenlabs.io and look for the page titled How Can I Contact Support? This is the official place where ElevenLabs explains the different ways to get help. When the Help Center opens, take a moment to scan the page. If your question is something common, like account access, billing, or a product feature, the quickest option is usually the AI chatbot in the bottom right corner. Click that chatbot and type your question in plain language. It can often give you an instant answer, which saves a lot of time compared to waiting for a reply. If the chatbot solves your issue, great, you're done. But if you need help from a real support agent, scroll through the Help Center information and use the support email provided by ElevenLabs. Send your message to team@elevenlabs.io and clearly explain what problem you're facing. The more detail you include, the easier it is for the support team to help you quickly. For example, mention your account email, what happened, when it happened, and any error messages you saw. That makes your request much easier to process. It's also a good idea to keep your message short, clear, and specific. If you are asking about billing, include the invoice or payment details. If you are reporting a technical issue, mention the device, browser, and exact steps you took before the problem started. Once you've sent the email, just wait for a response from the ElevenLabs support team. In many cases, the chatbot and help center may solve your issue faster, so it's always worth checking those first before sending a support email. So to recap, the process is simple. Sign in, open the help center, try the AI chatbot for common questions, and email team@elevenlabs.io if you need direct support. If this guide helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.